Welcome in this new RAWSTER photo tutorial. Today I'm going to give you a new tip about Luminar. So if you use Luminar 3, please have a look at this video and hopefully you'll learn something new. I received some emails about how to rate your own photos in Luminar 3, what is a good way to do it, and in this video I want to show you how I do it. I don't say it's the best way to do it, but it's just a way I like to do it. And I would love to hear the way you do it, or maybe you think you can do it in a better way. If you have another opinion, please leave a comment below this video to share your experience with all the other photographers out there. So what I do is this. As you know, you can rate photos by stars, but you also have the little hearts to mark a photo as a favorite. So of course you can use the star rating for every photo, but the thing I notice is sometimes you have two photos that look kind of the same. For example, those two photos. So how much stars are you gonna give? Is it 3 stars or is it 4 stars or maybe even 5 stars? You're gonna think too much about how many stars you want to give. In the end, it is about which photos you want to edit and which ones you don't want to edit, or maybe even you want to remove right away. And that's basically how I do it. I mark all the photos I want to edit as my favorite, so I give the photo the little heart, and you can press the P also in the keyboard to apply the heart. And all the photos I want to remove right away because they're not good or not sharp or whatever the reason is, I give the photo the little cross, and you can press X in the keyboard for that. And that's basically what I do with all the photos. I give them a heart or the cross, so the X, or nothing. And nothing basically means the photo is okay, but probably if you should give your photos a star rating, you will give the photo a 2 or a 3 star rating, maybe even a 4, but the 5-star photos, the best photos, only get the heart. So that's why I prefer to use the X, the heart and nothing, because I classify my photos basically in 3 categories. And in the end, what I do after I edit my favorite photos, so all the photos with all the hearts, in the end I give them a star rating how much I like my favorite photos. So basically the star rating I only use for my favorite photos to even categorize them again, but that's what I do later after I edit the photo. And also think about the difference between 3 or 4 stars. It really doesn't matter, because probably the photo is not good enough or not the best photo you have, and in the end you only want to end up with the best photos you want to edit and want to show to all the other people. So my strategy is to use the hearts for the photos I really love and I really want to edit, the X button for photos I don't like and even I want to remove right away. And if I think maybe this photo is okay, maybe I will use it later on, maybe not, but I don't want to remove it, just give this photo nothing. So that's how I do it. I'm really curious about how you use the rating system in Luminar 3, so please leave a comment below this video.